Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you percent proportion. Now in percent proportion, the ratio between part and whole is equivalent between percent and 100. So the equation is we need to use is part over whole equal percent over 100. Now for example, let's say if we have this question, 30 is 45% of what number? Now first step, we write the equation part over whole is equal percent over 100. Now part is the number associated with the word is, and whole is the number associated with word of. So we have 30, part is equal 30 and whole is x, we need to find it. Percent is 45 over 100. Now cross multiplication, 45x is equal 30 times 100. Now we divide by 45 here and 45 here, cancel 45 and 45. X is equal, now 30 times 100 over 45 is equal 66.66. So this is the final answer. Now another example, what number is 21% of 250? Now first, part over whole equal percent over 100. Now part, the number is the number associated with word is, so part is x, we need to find it. And whole, the number associated with word of, so whole is equal to 250. Percent is 21 and here you have 100. Now cross multiplication, cross multiply, 21 times 250 is equal 5 is equal 5 to 50, 5250 over or equal 100x. So we divide here by 100 and here by 100. X is equal 52.5. So this is the final answer. Another example, let's say if we have what is 32% of 86. First, part over whole equal percent over 100. Now part is 32 and no, sorry, part is x, we need to find it, and whole is 86 equal percent is 32 over 100. Now cross multiply 100x equal 32 times 86 is equal 2752. Divide by 100, divide by 100, cancel 100 and 100, x is equal 27.52. So this is the final answer. Now let's say if we have this question, what percent of 12 is 27? First step, we write the equation part over whole equal percent over 100. Now part is number associated with word is, so part is equal 27, and whole number is associated with the word 12, so equal with word of, so equal 12. Percent, we need to find 8 times 100 over 100. Now cross multiply 27 times 100 equal, let's say if we have here x, 12x. Now we divide both sides by 12 here and 12 here. Now cancel 12 and 12, so x is equal 27 times 100 over 12. So the final answer is 225. Now another example, let's say if you have this question, 20 is what percent of 45? First we need to write the equation part over whole equal percent, or let's write it x over 100. So part is 20 over whole is 45 equal x over 100. Now 100 times 20 is equal 2000 over, or equal 45x. Now we divide both sides by 45. Now 2000 divided by 45 is equal 44.44. So this is the final answer.